If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So in this video, we have somewhat of a unconfirmed article that came out talking about a recent Whale Alert tweet. So Whale Alert is a Twitter account that tracks large movements of cryptocurrency, and there was a movement of a ton, as you can see right here, a ton of XRP from Ripple to an unknown wallet. Now, the reason why this says unconfirmed is because there have been a few tweets in the past that Whale Alert has put out by accident, and they weren't completely accurate. So I am just leaving that as a rumor. I'll have rumor in the title. Maybe I'll do an update on this later on, but I don't want to hear any comments, of, oh, well, this was false, or this was true, don't put rumor, or this was false, so, you should have put rumor. I'm just going to leave rumor in the title just because I don't want to have that over my head. But yeah, so 522 million XRP Ripple has thrown to a BitGo wallet. Basically, the rumor is this is for the payment rail for XRP. This is a payment rail for XRP. Let me get through the article and then I can give my thoughts. This morning, a major company that tracks fund transfers on blockchains, Whale Alert, reported a gargantuan transaction of 522 million XRP sent by Ripple to an unknown wallet. A source on Twitter names the unknown wallet as the BitGo crypto wallet, saying that the money is a payment rail for XRP. Right here, you could see the actual Whale Alert tweet, so this is confirmed. Then the article goes into Ripple keeps dumping XRP. Brad Garlinghouse comments, previously reported that some in the Ripple community are unhappy about Ripple throwing bags of XRP around, as well as doing huge XRP sales every quarter. One of the XRP fans has even has even put up a petition on change.org demanding Ripple to stop dumping XRP. The petition has garnered 2,500 signatures thus far. Recently, the Ripple CEO responded to the numerous FUD messages regarding Ripple. As for dumping XRP, he commented that these XRP sales are necessary to expand the utility of XRP. So I'm going to comment on this for a moment. I've talked about this in the past. Yes, Ripple does sell a lot of XRP. I get it, and that technically does suppress the price short term. Short term, that does suppress the price, but you have to remember, Ripple is reinvesting that money into the ecosystem, right? You can't forget that. Ripple's reinvesting that money that they make into XRP, into buying startups, into creating new solutions for problems, creating new, partnerships. Things take money. Things take capital. You want to partner with a company, you need to have 1 million contracts written up. You need to hire lawyers, right? There's a lot involved with running a fintech company, a lot involved in really running any company, but especially a fintech company that's very technical in nature. And I'm not saying I'm completely defending Ripple here, but I am saying that give them some time, man. I mean, look, I'm looking at XRP a couple years down the road. I'm not looking for a couple months. I won't sell XRP for at least 4 to 5 years. I would not even sell any of my XRP unless I'm doing a trade or something. But my long-term holdings, guys, I'm in that long term. So keep that in mind when you hear this criticism of Ripple. I'm not defending them. I'm not doing that. I'm just kind of putting both thoughts in front of you. On one thought, yes, short-term price does get suppressed by Ripple dumping XRP, but long-term, Ripple creates more value by creating a bigger and better ecosystem for XRP. But yeah, guys, I want to hear what you guys think about this. What do you think about this large movement of XRP? What do you think it's for? Comment down below. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts on this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day and keep on hodling. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.